Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Wi-Fi without a password on your phone. First, let's look at the QR code method. If someone else is already connected, ask them to open their Wi-Fi settings. They can usually find an option to share the network, often displaying a QR code. Simply use your phone's camera or a dedicated QR scanner app to scan this code. Your phone will then automatically connect to the network, bypassing the need to manually enter any password. Another straightforward way is using the WPS button. Locate the WPS button on your Wi-Fi router, which is usually a small button labeled WPS. On your phone, navigate to your Wi-Fi settings and look for a WPS connection option. Press the button on the router and then activate the WPS feature on your phone. These two devices will then communicate and connect automatically, typically within a window of about 2 minutes. It's a quick and easy process. Sometimes, a guest network is the perfect solution. Many routers allow the creation of a separate guest network, which often has a simpler password or no password at all. If you're at a friend's house or a business, simply ask if they have a guest network available. You can then find and connect to this network directly from your phone's Wi-Fi settings. These networks are designed for temporary access, offering convenience without compromising the main network's security. Finally, public Wi-Fi hotspots are widely available. You can often find free Wi-Fi in places like cafes, airports, libraries, and shopping centers. Just open your phone's Wi-Fi settings and select an available public network. You might be redirected to a web page to accept terms and conditions before connecting. While convenient, remember to exercise caution with public Wi-Fi, as these networks can sometimes pose security risks to your personal data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.